Hey there, just wanted to show you a few things using Adobe Express. So there's actually a lot of fun little options here. I wanted to show you a couple of ideas. Um, and if we click on the Express tab here, there's a couple of things to navigate through. So this is just the main page, which is has everything. And there's some kind of fun little options here. So one thing you can do is you can generate a QR code here, which is kind of nice. If you need to do anything major, these are kind of like the top things that I do. That's why they're all listed here. Web page is one. You can do a flyer. You can also animate characters, which is kind of a fun little option as well. So you could choose a character that you want. These take just a second to load, but there's all kinds, and they're always adding more. So you can even do a search and see, if you wanted something fun, like here's, something like that. And then we can actually go and change the background too. So I want, maybe something snowy or who knows, I don't know. You can see what they have, you can search. There's all kinds of stuff. So let's do, oh wow, let's do a treehouse. Okay, so there's the treehouse. And then you can record a little recording, so you talking. So you just hit the record button and it will record you talking. So these are really fun for course announcements. If you want to just mix it up and just catch their attention. The students love these, not all the time, but once in a while, these are great. Okay, so I'm going to get out of this and I'm going to go back here, make sure we can see this well. And that's kind of the basics. Everything is operated through this, so you can hit the View All button here. That'll take you to the different templates, different things that you want. And if there's something that's not here, you can type it in and it will find it for you. You can also find information over here on this far side. So if we go over to the far side here and hit the plus button, you'll get the same box that pops up. Same thing here. Also, you can see all of where your stuff is housed. So this is where everything that you have created. So you can see I have like a ton of stuff in here and it just keeps going and going and going. And then you can create folders for it too. So if you wanted to create, I've got a few different folders of things that I house stuff in. Also in your stuff, if somebody creates something and you share it with them, you can click over here and it will share. You can create a folder, you can create a file. You go to the Yours tab, shared with you, or if you've shared with someone else. So I have a few things that people have shared with me. Students sometimes will share stuff with me, things like that. So that's an option in your file section. And then these two are kind of, you can just start going with from blank if you want to here. You can explore some of the quick actions. So these are just some quick and easy things if you wanted to look at. You can see merging videos, resizing videos, converting to a JPEG. Maybe you've got a PDF that you need to convert. That's kind of handy. Creating a QR code, I use that a lot. That's one option. Browse templates, so templates for all kinds of things. So see how you can go here. You can find the infographic. Maybe you want a business card, birthday, invitations. I've used this for like parties, things like that. All of these are right there. And the other thing you can do is generate with AI. So if you wanted to generate a quick picture, you can generate there. You can change your text. So if you wanted your text to look like, say, a stethoscope, for example, you can do that by clicking here. So just some simple basics on Adobe. It's pretty fun, and Adobe Express is the easiest one to use. And take a look at some of the other videos if you have questions.